The golden moon cast a mysterious color upon Nimbus Island. According to legend, there was a clever adventurer that could utilize fog and terrain to defeat powerful opponents unexpectedly and obtain the reward of the genies and magic lamps, attaining the glory of chicken dinner. Indeed, this is sky-high spectacle. Anyone can. Legend has it that on Nimbus Island in the distant horizon, there is a flourishing city in the sky, with a wealthy palace, a busy port, and a bustling market. Here, genies and magic lamps guard a great power. Stand victorious until the end to